Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ali. I hope you're all doing well and are staying safe. So TrollBeads recently released a mini collection called Transformation. It is 4 beads, 4 butterfly beads, and I did get all 4 of them. And me, Linda, and Tani, we again did a challenge where we used one of the beads and designed a bracelet or a bangle around it. We had some rules, like we had to use another critter bead, we had to use a gemstone, and we had to use a flower. And for an extra step, if we wanted to do it, we had to add another color which was complementary on the color wheel to that particular bead. So this one, let's start with this one right here. This is the pink one, this butterfly bead right here, and this is called Wings of Passion. And so I designed this bracelet design for the challenge using this bead, and the complementary color I used was green. And so let's start with the clasp. And so the clasp I used is a butterfly clasp. This is called Spiritual Butterfly Clasp. And I used it because it has butterflies on it. And again, it has that green gemstone here. And so I thought that would be a good fit for this design. And so I have that. And then I have this pink and black bead, which is the birthday bead from last year, I think 2022. And I love pink and black together, and I love how that looks with the Wings of Passion bead too, because this one also has shades of pink and black and white. Next to that, I have the Raindrops bead. Then I have the Big Lotus bead. This one is the Love and Care bead. This was released for Valentine's Day this year, and this one has a beautiful pink color to it with lighter pink flowers on it. And this one has the extra critters on it, so it has ladybugs on it. And so that's what I used. Oh, I have it backwards. Anyways, and then I have this unique which has butterflies on it. Next, I have the silver bead. This is, I think it's simply called Butterflies, but I'll make sure and put it down here. Then I have the Wings of Passion. Next to that, I have the 4-leaf clover bead, which was part of the Lucky Friends bracelet set. I have another bead which looks just like the Love and Care bead, but it's green, and this one is a unique that I was able to get at TrollBeads Partridge Creek, and I love this one. I hope they do more colors in this, and if they do, I hope I'm able to find them. This one is another unique, and this is called in the TrollBeads circle, from what I have found, this is called the Caterpillar unique, and this one came in a lot of different colors. So I have the pink one, so again it satisfies that another critter on the design part of the challenge. I have another of the Big Lotus beads. I have the black onyx, and then I have one more birthday bead from 2022. So this is my design for Wings of Passion, and this was the one bead that I knew I was going to get from this collection, probably my favorite one from this whole collection, because as you guys know, I love pink. So this is my design with Wings of Passion. This is the next one, and this one uses the blue bead, and this is called Wings of Serenity. And I went with a yellow and blue theme with this one, and I used that extra color here. And this one is mostly uniques on here, I'm realizing right now when I'm talking to you. So this one right here is a blue floral unique. This one is my first ever unique, and I love this one. This has dragonflies on it, and the body of the dragonfly is blue, which I think really complements the Wings of Serenity. This is the Dancing Butterfly silver bead. then the Wings of Serenity, and then next to that I have the chalcedony gemstone. This one is the cicada melody. Then this one is another unique with a yellow base and almost cream colored flowers with blue centers. And this one right here is a recent addition to my collection, another unique. This also I got from TrollBeads Partridge Creek. And also, although it's a very abstract bead, it just reminds me of petals floating in the wind. And so yeah, this is the design that I created with Wings of Serenity. And I really love how this turned out with the yellows and the blues and hints of white. This one was probably the hardest for me to design with. This is with this bead over here. This is Wings of Energy, and this has yellow and orange, a yellow and orange butterfly bead, which although is probably closest to nature, gave me the most trouble as far as design went, because I'm just not very used to designing with these colors. I think I'm more comfortable with pinks and greens and then blues. And although I absolutely love yellow, ask my mom, I love yellow, but I had some trouble with this one, but I think I managed really well. Again, I chose to pair this with purple as the complementary color from the color wheel. So let's go ahead and start with the clasp. The clasp I have on here is this one. This is from the starter set bracelet of potential. That's the clasp I'm using. It has an acorn on it and some vines and leaves, and I just thought that this one went really well with the coloring in these beads. And so it has a very, although it's butterflies, it has a very almost autumnal look to it because of the colors. Next I have this spacer. This is the mandala spacer. This one is one of the twinkle beads from last year. This is the Twinkle Hazel, and this has orange and purple stripes with the diamonds. This is a unique, and these look like fireflies. I don't know if that's what TrollBeads intended, but they do look like fireflies. Look at that white face with the big buggy black eyes, and then the wings are purple. This silver bead here is the messenger flower. This one was released, I think, 2 years ago. This was a surprise collection they did of armadillos, and this one I think was called something else, but TrollBeads renamed it to Creativity. And this one has a yellow base with these bluish purple flowers. This is another unique, very geometrical but still floral, and it has hues of yellow and purple on a white opaque base. This one, I love this bead. This one I was able to get at the grand event at TrollBeads Texas last year, and this one is a butterfly and it's sitting on an amethyst, which is faceted, and I just absolutely love this one. This is Wings of Energy, which I've designed the whole bracelet around. This one is Dragonfly on Silk. Next to that, I have the Lover's Faith bead, and then this is the gemstone. This is the round red onyx, and this is another unique I have. Again, it's opaque, white base, and then on top of that, you have these orange and purple flowers, and the centers are white with purple. And so yeah, this is my design with Wings of Energy. And the last one is this one. This is the green one, which is over here, and this is called Wings of Success. Now in this one, I decided not to go with the complementary color because the complementary color was pink, and I'd already done the pink and green, so I kept this one green, but I added hints of white with the pearls on here. So let's start from here. This is on the star bangle. And then this bead is the birthday bead for 2023. I love the black and green. This is the flower of the month for October. This is the calendula of October. So There's that hidden pearl with the flowers. This is a faceted green onyx. This is Wings of Success. I have another faceted green onyx, and you can see that the two I have are slightly different in color, but I love both of them. This is Daisy of April, again with that hint of the pearl. So it just kind of looks really nice with the white spots on the Wings of Success bead. And then this one right here is Dragonfly in Garden. And so a very simple design, as I said, with just greens and just a hint of white with the pearls. And so yeah, these are some of my initial designs with the transformation beads. Do let me know which one you liked best. Let me know if you bought any of these beads and what you think about these. I really like them. They're opaque, and that just gives a very different look to glass beads, I feel. But anyways, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, do give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, I would love it if you would consider subscribing, and I'll see you in my next one. Stay safe, guys. Bye.